Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Alien fans, get ready to scream because a terrifying new threat is coming our way. PS5 Nexus has just got the scoop that Alien, Rogue Incursion Part 1 is getting an upgraded non-VR edition for the PS5 and PC, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. That's right, folks, you don't need a VR headset to join the fight against those deadly xenomorphs. The Evolved edition of Alien, Rogue Incursion Part 1 is set to hit PC and PlayStation 5 on September 30, 2025, with enhanced visuals that will make your heart pound. And with the game running at a smooth 60 FPS, you can bet it's going to be an intense experience. Now we know what you're thinking. What about the VR version? Well, PS5 Nexus got a chance to review the original Alien, Rogue Incursion back in December 2024, and let me tell you, it was a compelling first crack at bringing the Alien universe to VR. The crew behind this game has clearly taken those lessons on board and is taking the Evolved edition to the next level. Developed and published by Survios, this new edition of the game retails for just $29.99 for the standard edition, with the digital deluxe edition available for $39.99. That's a steal if you ask me. Set between the events of Alien and Aliens, Alien, Rogue Incursion Part 1 takes players on a mission to the planet Purdon in search of a former squadmate. After a sudden attack, Zula and her synthetic companion Davis, find themselves trapped in Gemini Exoplanet Solutions' hauntingly desolate Castor's Cradle Research Facility. But what really got my attention is that this Evolved edition isn't just a porting of the original game, it's a full-on overhaul. With even deadlier xenomorphs and enhanced visuals, you can expect an experience that's both frightening and exhilarating. And if all this wasn't enough, the crew behind Alien, Rogue Incursion Part 1 will be taking the stage at PS5 Nexus Live next month to show off their new look for the Evolved edition. You won't want to miss it. With all the excitement around the Alien universe, right now FX TV shows, crossovers, and even a new game in development, Alien, Rogue Incursion Part 2, this is one upgrade you won't want to miss. So mark your calendars for September 30, 2025, and get ready to join the fight against the xenomorphs. Trust me, PS5 Nexus has got you covered with all the latest news and updates. Until next time, stay entertained.